Huh?
What are we doing today?
We're gonna put on the method wheels.
Oh.
308s,
Let's go check it out.
Cooper tires, 275, 70, 18s.
All right.
I think they're 308s, right? Yeah. Them are.
Let's check it out. Good, right?
All terrain, snow. Put these bad boys on. They should fit just fine. And hopefully look a lot better
On the
than these
expedition.
ugly chromies.
Okay. Let's get started. Wheel 1.
Test number 1. Looks good. Got plenty of clearance. Curious about the center.
Oh, is it missing?
If it doesn't fit, somebody's gonna whip out some. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna fit. I'm gonna whip out some black paint here. Yeah, it said it wasn't going to, so. Confirmed.
Is the axle?
Confirmed. We can just cut that, right? Put longer bolts. Hey,
Yeah.
it's all good. All right, guys. So we got the Method 308s all mounted up. We have some Cooper tires. They are 275, 70, 18. Went with what I knew would fit per forums. Looked around a little bit. Wanted something a little more aggressive looking, but not over the top, especially since I'm going to sit at the stock ride height and everything. So we didn't put the center caps on, mainly because of the back. The axle nut and everything's just sticking out, so there's no way we're going to be able to get that on right now, but we're going to 3D print something possibly for that. But yeah, I really like the look, how it sits. These are 18 by 9s, and I believe the offset is plus 18. So the wheel doesn't poke out too much, but at least I got a little bit of tire out, so has a really nice, subtly aggressive look. Not over the top or anything. Plus, I think SUVs, personally, that have wheels that poke way out, doesn't look very good. So it's got a nice subtle look to it, but aggressive. So yeah, so here's the back too. We put some black lug nuts on there. Unfortunately, the stock lug nuts would not fit. They were too big. So we just actually picked these up at O'Reilly's. Wanted some black ones too, so just really nice total black look, black outlook with the truck and everything. So yeah, I'm really happy about these. I can't wait to hit the snow. Of course, we're going to chain it up too, but yeah, I'm really impressed with the look and how it fit.